This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Rick Boswell. Move-in ready. Well-maintained home in desirable Elizabeth Station. Spacious living room offering an open floor plan with kitchen and dining area fully equipped with stainless steel kitchen appliances. Separate laundry room/utility room. 12 by 12 deck comes off the kitchen overlooking a lush lawn. Back inside the primary bedroom and bath with double vanity. Separate shower and jetted soaking tub will melt stress away. 2 other bedrooms have access to the guest bathroom. The 20 by 24 garage is insulated, has a pedestrian door on the side. Garage opener and laundry sink make outside project cleanups a snap. You may want to make plans to see this one quick. Price to sell and any type of financing will work on this great find.